Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying what's already in front of you. Check the card balance and expiration, and pull up your receipt or order number. Once done, open the retailer app or a browser in a private window to avoid cached errors, and keep your card number and PIN handy. Make sure your account is signed in correctly. If it's an e-gift, copy the code carefully. These steps eliminate common misreads and prepare you for targeted fixes. Next, methodically attempt redemption. Retype the code slowly to avoid character confusion and try redeeming on another device or a different network, because DNS or firewall issues can block validation. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupt temporary data. Updating the app and your operating system fixes compatibility problems. If the site shows an error, note the exact message. These actions address software and input issues that most often prevent successful redemption. To finish, contact the retailer's support with the card number, receipt, the exact error message, and a screenshot. Request that they attempt manual redemption or reissue the card if the system rejects it. Make sure to confirm any refund holds from your bank that might affect activation. If support asks, authorize a quick test charge or verification. Troubleshooting tip: if automated channels fail, escalate to a human agent and request transaction logs. They can reveal back-end errors that you cannot see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.